Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about working with binary files, part of programming in C course. Working with binary files in C involves reading and writing data in binary format, which is a sequence of bits. Unlike the text files, binary files contain binary data, which is not human readable and can represent integers, floating point numbers, and other data types. The fread and fwrite functions can be used to read and write binary data. To write binary data, you have to specify the data type and size of the data to be written, and the number of elements to be written. To read binary data, you have to specify the data type and size of the data to be read, and the number of elements to be read. In this example, a binary file named binary_file.bin is created and data is written to it using the fwrite function. Then the file is opened in read mode using the fopen, and data is read from it using fread function. The read data is then displayed on the screen. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.